Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends here and abroad. It is Mark here in the fan cave. Figured, I haven't had any service calls in a while, so figured I'd come back to the shop and take good old Stealth Rogan for a spin. So it's been a minute. I'm going to try to remember to do the what the demo mode is. I think I hit power, and then it's fan, light, fan, light, fan. I don't know. I think that's right. Oh, sweet. Thank you. I guess it just keeps doing it on a repeating cycle, so I'm just going to shut it off so you can get the spin down going. Because if I get a service call, I'm on the clock. If I get a service call right now, I'm screwed. Well, I'm not screwed. I'll just have to truncate the video and do my job. But yeah, now how cool is that? I mean, it sings, it dances. I mean, this is the original smart ceiling fan. I mean, think about it. The Casablanca in general. And yeah, it's a lot more stuff to break, but it is kind of a cool gimmick, I will admit. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck. Always be kind.